Summary content and collect reviews that people are talking of. BATINO 21.6 volt 4500 mAh, V8 SV10 Replacement Battery for Dyson with 2 filters. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Capacity 4.5 amp. Higher capacity lithium-ion batteries for Dyson V8 provides longer run time and charge faster than the original battery. Integrated microchip prevents overcharging and lengthens battery life. V8 vacuum compatible with Dyson SV10, Dyson V8 Absolute, V8 Animal, V8 Animal Exclusive, V8 Motorhead, V8 Fluffy, V8 Motorhead, V8 Carbon Fiber. All series Dyson V8 vacuum cleaners. Technology Dyson V8 battery with EPC technology to avoid battery heating and reduce damage to battery life, protect against overcharge, over-discharge, overpower, over-temperature, overcurrent, short circuit. Extra pre-filters. The battery for Dyson V8 comes with 2 additional compatible filters, HEPA filter material and double silicone ring seal. Washable and reusable for longer life and better filtering. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.